the goodies I will be making with this hot dog and spinach. And this is croissant. I'm gonna be baking them with this hot dog and spinach for the Easter, for the kids. So just gonna open it up. So these are the dough. Just bring out the dough. So right away, just you can bring it together again, or you can also lose it the way you want. Just bring out the dough. But the way I'm gonna do this is very simple and easy. So I'm just gonna cut it out little piece first, just like that. Again, just cut them the little sizes you want. So this is it. Right now, just gonna, this is it. Just gonna roll them out. So these are all the croissants. I already portioned them out right away. I'm just gonna use this butter to be able to degrease all this this thing I'm gonna be using. The pan. Right away, you're just gonna place each one to their seat. So just place them. Very easy, and the kids love it. Oh, like this and like this. So this is it for now. Right away, you just start to work on it. Just use your hand to make it flat it with your hand. Nothing much. Just use your hand to flatter, make it round with the shape. So you see, this is it. Right now, I'm just gonna add some spinach to it. These are spinach. Just gonna add a little, just a little spinach. You know, the kids, they don't like vegetables. You're just gonna make it like a design. So this is it. Right now, just gonna be placing this hot dog. And just place it like this, like this. You see, this is it. It's all ready. You're just gonna put them in the oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes in 360 degree. I think so. I don't know. So this is it. Can you see the beauty? Wow. So we're gonna work on the second one. So this is the second one. We're just gonna work on it. Yes, this is it. We're not gonna press this one together. We're just gonna lose it. You already have all the shape you can cut, you can lose it from. See, you're just gonna lose it. Don't worry. You see, this is how it will look when you are losing it. So right now, I'm just gonna start with these ones. Just gonna put more of hot dog, like three or two, depends on it. I'm not gonna add anything with the one with hot dog. I'm just gonna fold it the way you want. See, this is it. Keep that aside and bring out this again. This one will be doing this one with just spinach. For me too, I need to eat from it, but I'm just gonna eat the one with spinach. just gonna add spinach like that. I'm just gonna fold it up with the spinach. Just gonna roll it, and so right now I'm gonna just place them on the parchment paper and take them to the oven. Just gonna place them. Just gonna place them to the oven. So this is it. With this, I'm taking them to the oven. We're going to the oven right away. So this is it. It's ready. This is all beauty. You can see. This is all beauty. Oh my God. This is so good. Wow. These are all the goodies. And let me see this one. Oh my God. Can you see this? It's so beautiful. Just looks like a flower. How beautiful it is. Wow. So it's all cooked. We just have to take them out here and eat. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. And also give me a thumbs up on this video so that my video can go more for people to see. Thank you. Let me serve it. So just bringing them out. So this is it. Wow, what a beauty. These are all the goodies for Easter celebration. Happy Easter, everyone. So please subscribe to the channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is so good. See? So good. I made it with spinach and hot dog. Thank you all, and see you with another great recipe. Bye for now.